नमस्कार मित्रों, मैं शुभम सोनू आज के सायंकालीन संवाद में आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। आज हम लोग कोलेस्ट्रॉल पर चर्चा करेंगे। आज का विषय है द कोलेस्ट्रॉल लोअरिंग गाइड यू नीड, बट फर्स्ट वी शुड नो व्हाट इज कोलेस्ट्रॉल। Cholesterol is a fat-like substance needed for cell building and hormone production. Many hormones are made in our body with cholesterol, like in case of female, estrogen, progesterone. The skeleton structure is cholesterol. In case of male hormone, testosterone, skeleton structure is cholesterol. Vitamin D is also synthesized from cholesterol only. So cholesterol is required for our body, but we should know further what is it in detail. There are two types of cholesterol: high density lipoprotein and low density lipoprotein. High density lipoprotein is also called good cholesterol, and LDL low density lipoprotein is called bad cholesterol. Good cholesterol removes excess cholesterol and it is good for our health. Low density lipoprotein can clog arteries and raise heart disease risks. Now we'll understand why is cholesterol dangerous. Excessive low density lipoprotein builds up plaque in our arteries, causing a condition called atherosclerosis. This increases the risk of cardiovascular disease like heart attacks and strokes. And we should know now what is the scenario of cardiovascular disease in India. Almost 28 lakhs people die due to cardiovascular disease in India every year. India sees a twofold higher risk of cardiovascular disease as compared to European and American. Hypertension affects up to 27% of Indians, while 33% have pre-diabetes and 25% have type 2 diabetes mellitus. Now, we should know how our diet impacts cholesterol level. Diet play an important role in managing cholesterol or regulating cholesterol. Saturated fats and trans fats raise LDL levels. So, food rich in fiber, healthy fats, and plant-based nutrients lower cholesterol. I will give few dietary recommendations for heart health. Healthy vegetarian diet rich in plant-based food is better for heart health. Focus on whole grains, lentils, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Include healthy fats like canola, olive oil, peanut, and sunflower oils. Add omega-3 fatty acid sources like walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds in your diet. Increase fiber intake and consume 20 to 30 grams of fiber every day from oats, fruits, and green vegetables, leafy vegetables. Now, what should we limit and what is harmful? We should limit intake of saturated fatty acids like palm oil and fatty meats. Avoid vanaspati and partially hydrogenated oils. Avoid sugary beverages and processed snacks. Cooking oil should not be reused, especially for frying snacks. Now we can swipe some healthy foods which we will see in our next session. Till now, be healthy, be happy. दिस इज ओनली लाइफ। स्वस्थ रहिए, आनंद लीजिए, यही तो जीवन।